Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Anthony Porter here at Wicked Artistry Candle Co. It's an honor to be back with you. Glad to see you today. Today, listen, we're going to get into a few new vessels. We're going to do a review. All right, check it out. We're going to do a review on a few new vessels, couple to be exact, from this company that I stumbled across called Dream Vessels. So, I'm watching a couple YouTube videos, and I see these vessels, and they catch my eye. And so I wanted to, see what they were about, test them out, see how well they do, and go from there. Now, before I can go any further, I need to ask you to do me a favor. I need you to subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification, and share the video, because it's the only way it helps out the algorithm. And when the algorithm is helped out, it's very, very helpful for myself and everybody else, because every time I upload a video, it allows you to see the video. It allows you to be the first, one of the first to get the content. And that's what we want. We want to make sure that all new candle makers going into 2021, or anybody in business looking to get into candle making, can get this information and go from there. You see what I'm saying? Motivated by my guy, Nipsey Hussle. Excuse me, something just flew my eye. Motivated by my guy, Nipsey Hussle, hustle and motivation. That's the way it is over here at Wicked Artistry Candle Co. We make sense for all occasions, and that's what we're about to do. All right? So, without no further ado, let's jump into this video. Now, again, I'm going across YouTube, and I see these amazing looking vessels. A couple of times, Jeff Steedley, from Stanley Handcrafting. I get his name mixed up. I'm sorry. I'm terrible with names. I'm terrible with pronunciation. But he had these vessels, and I was like, man, them vessels is nice. And so I decided to click on the link down below, went to Dream Vessels. All right. So let me show y'all. This particular vessel right here is called the LaFleur. The Fleur vessel, okay? I'll bring that to you, all right? It's a beautiful crystal 8-ounce see-through jar. Now, you can put colors in here, but I'm not going to ruin this vessel with adding color to the wax, okay? Now, I'm going to test this out later on, but I'm not going to ruin this candle, this vessel. This vessel is outstandingly gorgeous. It comes with this beautiful top. So it's called the pineapple. So I could actually stick this on there, and it looks just like this, okay? Now, to actually fill this up, it's 8 ounces. It's probably about a 10-ounce pineapple. But to fill this up, 8 fluid ounces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this out, because I want to make sure that before I can put these in my line of new luxury candles, I want to make sure that this vessel here is exactly what it says it looks like. All right. Now I'm going to test this with Wooden Wicks 0.02 single crackling wick. This is the 0.3 in height, 3 inches in height, and I want to see how it does. You know what I'm saying? We're not talking wicks today, but I wanted to test this out with that. So, like I said, this is what this beautiful crystal looks like. All right, so we're gonna test it out later. Now, another vessel that I got from Dream Vessels, we're gonna test out with the CD12 Cottonwood, is from the Hermes collection. All right, so this is 10 ounces as well. All right, now these come in an array of colors. That the other one comes in an array of colors. I pulled the white one out first. They come in 6 to a case, the case is over here on the shelf, but they come 6 to a case. And with that 6, sometimes you have to be extremely careful when you're placing these. Luckily, this is a tester, because right now, this week is a little bit off. But anyway, this is a beautiful vessel. The one thing I cannot do is I cannot put labeling on her, because the texture, if I hold this up, the texture, and you can see this is a texture type vessel, and there's no room to put label. Now, I can't put the lid all the way on her, but it's a tight fit lid. It comes like this. Like I said, these vessels from Dream Vessels got some nice stuff. Now, what I can show you is these particular vessels right here are my car diffusers. So all of these are from Dream Vessels. So as you can see, I found them and I literally went crazy. Now, these have done very well. I've been working on my website as far as trying to get my website up. And when I started talking to people at my job and letting them know that I had car diffusers, which was car incense, they start hopping off. These come in a case of 12. They come 12 to a box, and I ordered 4 boxes of these. I'm down to exactly 14. Yeah, 14. So I recommend Dream Vessels. Like I said, I want to test this out. I'm gonna test this out with some cocoa soy, which is the 6046 Preference blend of coconut and Preference and coconut. Because I'm thinking about switching over. I'm gonna put that in here, and I'm gonna test this out with the 464 soy wax. Like I said, these are very, very elegant. These are great centerpieces. That's what you always want to have a variety when you're doing candle business. So that's what I wanted to talk about at this particular point in time, because when you're doing vessels, and when I first started, I bought some straight side tumblers from from Candle Science, and they have rocked out. I mean, they have literally rocked out. But I want to expand my line. Like I said, I started a little over 5 months ago, and I have done rather well, surprisingly well. And be it the fact that I've done rather well, I kind of want to scale my business up. Now, I've had these for a while. I just haven't done nothing with them yet because I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do. Like I said, these Ermers, they come in white. I have white and black, but they come in an array of colors. Dream Vessels has some nice things. If everything works out well, I plan on putting these into my line and going from there. Okay, so shout out to Dream Vessels. Oh, here's what I like about Dream Vessels. We're going to be all the way real with this. So because I live close to Tennessee, I ordered these vessels, and the turnaround time has been great. So it's like, I ordered these vessels on, let's say I ordered these on a Monday. Now, wait a minute. These I ordered on a Sunday night. They was here by that Wednesday. These I ordered right after the holidays on a Saturday. They was here by Tuesday. These I ordered on a Monday and was here by Wednesday. So Dream Vessels has been outstanding with their shipping. And I love the Afterpay. If you don't know what that is, you need to do your research, because if you're starting out and you don't have the bread, some of these companies can help you out, all right? So that's all we want to talk about today. Be on the lookout, because I'm going to do a video. I'm going to show you how I put these together. I'm going to show you how I use the 464 and how I use the Cocoa Preference wax with these particular vessels, all right? Go check out the video that I did, the review I did on the IGI 6046, 6046, 6064, 60, I think it's 6046. I do think that's right. If I'm wrong, please leave me a comment down below. Every little bit helps, but hey, it is what it is. So once again, I am Tony with Wicked Artistry Candle Co., your candle channel for business, marketing, know how to make candles, DIY. All right, so we gonna step up out of here, man. We out of peace.